Kasi sabi nila, all politics is family. Family is politics sa Pilipinas. Sa magkabilang bahagi ng unit team, pamilya yung namamayagpag o parang tipong away pamilya. Bago nanalo si BBM, away pamilya din, the Aquinos versus the Marcoses. How good or bad are the families doing now? Kasi sa panig ni BBM, andun yung kanyang anak, si Congressman ah, ang ating Congressman
Sandro, ma'am.
Sandro, tapos ang speaker is si
Pinsan niya
brother-in-law.
mo.
Okay. So, tapos sa kabilang panig din naman, ando naman si Vice President Sara, yung kanyang kapatid na congressman, kapatid na mayor, at syempre si dating Pangulong Duterte. So it's like parang family feud.
Don't we love it, ma'am? Kaya nga sikat na sikat dito sa ating bansa yung Game of Thrones, tsaka yung House of the Dragon. Dahil talagang nalalalamin, di ba? Sumasalamin. Very family. How are the families doing? One is doing better than the other, ma'am, definitely.
Mm,
Dahil the cards are stacked. Yung isa nasa poder. They have every resource and all the infrastructure and all the, let's use the word na, kapangyarihan, power,
mm,
to make the other family's life difficult.
mm,
They have the ICC to use as a tool.
mm,
Yan sa
mm.
Duterte's. They have the funds of Congress. They have the legislation to craft laws to shut down the franchises, for example, of known Duterte allies, katulad ni Pastor Apollo Kibuloy na ngayon isang wanted criminal. So they have the capability and the power, kapangyarihan to make the lives of the Dutertes and those who are supportive of them a living hell. So
Alright.
lamang mo talaga yung isa.
Pero hindi pa rin mamamaliitin ang parang public opinion poll na parang mas mataas pa rin o konti lang ang pagbaba ni Vice President Sara kumpara kay President BBM. So her popularity seems to be very resilient.
In fact, that's why they should tread carefully dahil yan ang gustong-gusto ng Pilipino. Pag lalong inupakan yan, yung tinatawag nating FPJ effect.
Mhm.
Uh, and in fact, it is called that. No, it is indeed called the FPJ effect, named after the late great king of action movies, FPJ, na ginugulpi-gulpi. Gustong-gusto ng Pilipino yan, yung ginugulpi-gulpi. Kawawang-kawawa na, biglang maghihiganti sa dulo. At magtatagumpay.
Mhm.
So if you beat on especially VP Inday Sara, who is a lady that also plays into it, baka maging underdog pa yan.
Mhm.
Kaya dapat i-calibrate nila ng mahusay yan.
All right. Pero what's in it for her now? Kasi wala na siyang cabinet position. Although she remains as vice president, pero parang muted ng konti yung kanyang presence at boses.
Well, alam mo ma'am, yung kanyang pag-resign bilang member of the cabinet ay tingin ko was in fact long overdue. She should
Mhm.
have done that months before she did it. Because openly umuupak na si dating Pangulong Duterte, openly umuupak na yung kanyang mga kapatid. She should have done that months before. But right now, I think she should admittedly nawalan siya ng exposure dahil she was getting her exposure mainly as the DepEd secretary.
Mhm.
But
Mhm.
right now, what should VP Sara be doing? If she wants to, she can already take the mantle of the so-called head of the opposition. Pero inayawan din niya eh.
Correct.
Binara niya si Attorney Harry Roque. Sabi niya, hindi naman ako ang head ng opposition. I refuse that title. So
Mhm.
right now, who knows what's going on in her head, ma'am?